After a strong U.S. jobs report on Friday stunned investors, Wall Street delivered a surprise of its own as stocks reversed early losses to end solidly higher for the day. The Dow gained nearly 0.9%. The S&P 500 added about 1.2%, snapping a 4-week losing streak, and the Nasdaq soared 1.6%. Data from the Labor Department showed the economy added 336,000 jobs last month, the largest rise since January and nearly double economists' forecasts. That sent stocks tumbling until it didn't, with fears of another rate hike from the Federal Reserve perhaps subsiding, says Adam Phillips, Managing Director of Portfolio Strategy at EP Wealth Advisors.
The Fed has more information that they are going to need to digest between now and the next FOMC meeting, specifically the CPI report that comes out next week and the employment cost index, which comes out on October 31st. That is their preferred measure of wage inflation. It's total compensation, so it gives them a broader view. It's only produced quarterly, so it's not as timely, but that's what they prefer to look at rather than the average hourly earnings report that came in today's jobs report. So I'd say it's probably too early to jump to conclusions, but I'd say if I had to put a bet on it, I'd say that they're probably done.
The jobs report also showed a moderation in wages, which may have been because most of the jobs added were in lower-paying industries. Tech stocks soared, with Apple, Microsoft, and Meta platforms all posting strong gains Friday. And ExxonMobil shares slid more than 1.5% after sources told Reuters that the U.S. oil producer was in advanced talks to acquire Pioneer Natural Resources. Pioneer stock jumped nearly 10.5%.